not in a bad way, but this is what I mean. Most voters are coward, I mean. Tondu mathiega na wave. So ugokora mundu to cio muthuri to cio ri, it is about him as a person, not really about DCP or at the end of the day after DCP ugikinya November 2027 twago turiganirwo ni DCP, wave ya DCP ndigakorwo kwe ringi, wave ya UDA ndigakorwo kwe ringi, wave ya Jubilee, and everything will not be there. We will have to deal with the people that we gave the job. We will have to deal with those that we have given the responsibility. Riu gakora mwanasiasa uyu ri ni arathikiriria ngero tau ni ona ni ikoretwo gwitu na andu makanjira ero tutirenda tutikwenda yerwa gatureka ture no, please don't make that mistake. Tika you know itho goto hinda ririto. If I'm coming to you with the UDA, take it like if I'm coming to you with UDA kwetu TV, oya muhiano uyu mwiroreri wa kwetu TV, mundu andu eri ni mara andu atatu ha meha mbere yaku marenda guthie Mombasa. One chooses air, means of transport, another one chooses road, another one chooses water. What is the goal? The main goal or the agenda is to get yourself to the destination. So once I come with UDA, please, dia ko hey ke UDA ni kagege kameja maendeleo, kameja agenda, kameja manifesto mzuri, kameja mipango ya kukusaidia.
Mheshimiwa
don't vote on that basis, please. Mwirore wa kwetu dokai ko vote on basis ya emotion.
Keguria, do you think you'll stand a chance ya guthurwo wi Kiambu County na kiama kia UDA?
Why not? Why not?
I don't know.
I know, number one, I have the capacity of changing most of the people. They grow the few.
Yes, negatho muroreri wa kwetu TV network. Karibu sana. Njitagwo Sir Benson. Na muthenya wa muthiri ndikire Kiambu County, ward ya Kiambu Township. Kuria ndoka gucerera nyarari haha iretha giti kia MCA guku Kiambu Township. Ndoka twaranirie nake nigetha tuhote kumumenya makiria. Kuhana atia?
Kwega muno.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Looking good.
Thank you.
You. Yeah, I'd love you to reintroduce yourself. Uturi uria witagwo na uria wikaga.
Nie mwiroreri wa kwetu TV, amaretwa makwa njitagwo Joy wa Ngui wa Njuguna, na Njuguna ni baba, na nie ndi mu Kiambu wo maka aria wiguaga thigira waku wi Kiambu County. And I really love my county and I care about Kiambu. Yes.
Mheshimiwa uciarirwo guku?
Nie njiarirwo guku Kiambu County. Gwitu kwari haria Breiria, kundu gwitagwo Breiria. Though it is good to be honest that aciari akwa ni mathamire Breiria.
Yes.
Magithie kundu gwitagwo Juja sub county, which is also still Kiambu.
Kiambu County.
Kundu gwitagwo Murera kuria Juja sub county. Kwa muheshimiwa uyu gwitwo egwitwo atia muheshimiwa uyu MP wa gwitu etagwo Koiburi wa Juja. Wa Koiburi wa Juja. That is where my parents are. My mom, my dad is no longer, may his soul rest in peace.
Yes.
Riu nie na nie mutorera wakwa wothe kuma ria ndagimarire ngituika kairetu kagima kuma ndakirikia college ndathomeire ha Kist. Gicoka ndathoma Kist ruta wira hanini ngithie Gulf. Ngiuma ndauma Gulf gicoka guku. So I've never lived anywhere else. Funny how.
Wow.
For the past over 10 years iria ngoretwo ndi mundu mugima. Na ni nginya neirie miaka by the way kwetu TV ya gucagurania wega na uru.
Yes.
Ndorita Kiambu. So I know Kiambu very well. I know siasa cia Kiambu very well. I've been actively involved in politics.
We mukafete karinga.
Ndi mukafete karinga njoi horo wa Kiambu wega.
Yes.
And so I'm not a newcomer in Kiambu.
Mucio no uturi uria wikaga tukumenyete ugu.
Riu nie ndi muhuri wa biashara na ndi mutongoria. By the way, itanamba gukwira uria njikaga Kenya betherie hani tondu wa mwetherie point ino otene mwiroreria menye yotene. I'm not vying for a political seat or a political position because I want to be famous kana nindenda kuonekana nindirarukama no. Me, the grace of leadership is always in me. I was born to do whatever I'm doing. I was born to lead people. I was born to be there.
Sure.
Ndaciaritwo uguo niguo Ngai anyumbite mundu wothe ni gwi kindu gitagwo spiritual diagnosis. When you diagnose yourself as a person, okay, now this is the most difficult thing to do kwetu TV. Kwimenya wewe yu na wobirwo niki na niki ufataire gwika muturire is the difficult realization of mankind. So I know who I am, thank God, na koguo ndirahuranira tondu ndi mutongoria. Biashara ndutaga biashara ngoragwo ndinenie CEO wa thukuru wa college is a private TVET called Joy World Training Institute. Na biashara ndikirutagira Nairobi. No kurara na guikara na twana na kuhika ni Kiambu County. To be specific, Kiambu Township ward.
Wow. Mheshimiwa ni gufuata muno kuria mtandaoni no utwire atiriri warugama na kĩama kĩrĩkũ?
Niĩ ndarũgama na kĩama kĩa UDA. I am a
Ũgũrũ
very
kuma?
fearless girl.
Nice.
Very fearless girl. I go, kwanza nĩ nyendete mũno gwĩka ũndũ ũrĩa, I never go with the masses. I
Yes.
stand with my principles
Yes.
to kĩrĩa ndĩra believe this is the right thing.
Yes.
And kwĩna ũndũ ndĩrera andũ, you know, presidency ya bũrũri wa Africa is a bit, you might be there fighting the president. Me, I cannot fight the president. I cannot. Niĩ ndĩrarora I mean, the people, the masses. Mũndũ wĩ mũkristiano, na mathi kũrĩa ng'enda-inĩ nĩ kũruma president. What kind of a Christian are you? You are not reading the Bible. Ati Bibilia ĩrakwĩra mũthamaki, ngoro ya mũthamaki ĩkoragwo moko-inĩ ma Ngai. Wĩigĩrĩrĩki waku ũrĩa Ngai aragũbatara gwĩka ta mũndũ wa kawaida, not insulting the leader who is there. Nĩ kai Ngai waku ekaga mistake.
No mweshimiwa
Ngai ndekaga mistake. Wĩigĩrĩrĩki point ĩno kwetu. Mũthamaki ndarumagwo na ndatindaga akĩnyũrũrio. You might not know what this person is fighting. You don't know what demons are there in the presidency. You don't know what problems are there.
I agree with you.
You don't know what economical problems the presidency is going through. Your responsibility as a Christian and as a common people is to pray for the president.
Yes.
That is what the old book tells us. No rĩu andũ nĩ ũndũ tondũ andũ aitũ twamenyerire the andũ masses. Cithuranaga ũkona kĩndũ gĩtagwo wave thĩinĩ wa ciaca citũ cia bũrũri wa Kenya. Political wave. Rĩu koguo andũ mathiaga na wave. People are afraid of thinking. People are not individual thinkers. Mũndũ ndeciragia personally. Andũ matiĩciragia, andũ mathiaga na ũrĩa areka. Ũraruma mũndũ tondũ ũrona nĩ ararumwo na ndũĩ mũndũ ũcio ngũndũ rĩu auguo nĩkĩ. Do you have understanding? And it is a high time. I'm calling out the people, especially my great people a Kiambu County. Let us forego. Can we be a generation that is going to bring change? Can we be that generation that we will no longer vote on basis of waves, political waves and emotions? Atiriu tondu tariu last year UDA andu maheririe atongoria mari na bata muno magithura andu acio mureta tugege no nyumu meta tugege no who gives the tugege the power? It is you, the people. So the problem is not even in the political class to TV. The problem is with the voter. It is the masses that has a problem. Actually, he will judge the masses, not the leader who was elected. Why did you choose him and not the other? Why didn't you evaluate a person at an individual level? Wamuthurire tondu okire na kiama mivu yake magioka akaina rwimbo akaina anachukua anaweka ukamuikia tondu we kiama-inĩ kia UDA kiria kirathie na ngumo muno. You are not even taking your time as a person. Kurora mutongoria uyu ni ati arauga. I wish this time round, and I thank God for the Gen Zs because there is a very woken generation na men understanding. And then don't repeat the mistakes that us millennials have been doing and our parents, the Gen X. Ate tuthurana arugama na kiama kiriko wathie kuria itura-ini ona ni ngoro thoko kuria ni ndiraria na andu muno kuria gwitu ground arugama na kiama kiriko kiu ni nja yeru. That is being stupid. It's stupidity of the highest level. We kwanja bataire kuhurwo wewe muikia wa kura ukiuga ati nduguthura mundu wa kana let's even not go to UDA ati mutongoria woka na independent ndukumuthura tondu ndari DCP kiama kiria kia Gachagua kiria kiratongoria. Tell me the difference between, by the way, I'm here to tell you and I'm here to tell all our viewers, difference ya Gachagua na president, our sitting president, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto is one is in power, the other one is not. Otherwise, they are all politicians. They are all vying for power. They are all the same. Difference is that one is in power and the other one is not. So, weta muikia wa kura, odure ni ingekuhoya ni uyu, evaluate mundu ucio roka gukuhoya kura kukwanyu mwire, bring what are you intending to do? Evaluate integrity ya mundu ucio kinya ground. Let us evaluate mundu ucio understanding yake. Does this person understand what it takes to be a leader? What is the call of governance and leadership? How not to make a mistake, and that is why we will continue repeating the mistake, and we shall be answerable to the generations that are coming. Ciana citu nigatoria joy hindira we wakuririo kigimarare. What did you do at a personal level? Wekiri ate we Kwetu TV. Wendiria we wari no hotire, because I believe everyone is capable. Gutire mundu na ni didaga. Me, I'm always telling the young people kore guto Joy World Training Institute that nobody was born empty, and we are all leaders. We can all lead. A leader, there's a great book yandikitwo ni mwandiki umwe wa mafuku very famous tararikana ritwa ritagwo A Leader Without a Title. Mwandiki ucio ibuku gigatiriri, we can all lead from a place we have. We are all leaders. We don't have to have a title to lead. Na nikenda kwa taro niere, me, I've always led. Ni kuma ndaigirire ndathamagira thukuru etagwo Thome Primary. Ni Thome Primary fuma ndaigirire grade 1 1999.
Ikoragwo ku Thome Primary.
Ikoragwo haria hakairwo na hau uguo. Baba itu rimwe ni athia wira wa makaniki agekorwo aroirwo so ngithiaga thukuru na hau. Ndi Thome Primary School. Ndatwikire mutongoria that time. Ndambiririe ni I have grown leading people, by the way. Gatuka prefect, gakura gakinya grade 6, gatuka games captain, gakinya class 7, gatuka the school head girl, ngithie secondary ndathie cukuru bado nä ndathire thukuru wa rä u nä twagäthamä ra må rera twakiuma gå kå gwitå mbå rä ria twathiä kå rä a må rera ndathomeire cukuru wa day school wä tagwo må rera secondary school ngä coka ngä thama ngä thiä boarding yetagwo Miriliki mä aka ä yo ä rä ndaikarä må rera secondary school I was a leader as well na ndarä kirie cukuru day as the school head girl imagine kure ndarekeire school form 4 I was their head girl so what does that tells you that grace ino ya gutongoria I'm doing exactly what I was born to do Kwetu TV.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mheshimiwa gucoke thutha hanini kuri andu mararuma president na magiro ni kumuhe gitio
exactly
aria angi marakiruma mung'ethaniro nao atia
siasa cia gwitu ri ni iri giko muno na dige side na mundu urata for example somebody insulting the deputy tiga niwe wikagia makombola agatuma sometimes it is reactive
but gutire mundu taikagia kombora mheshimiwa
tari uri and gwenda menye horo uyu wa siasa ri o mundu wothe akoragwo na supporters yake o mundu na supporters yake we tari umuthi kuria mwatinda ri umuthi kuria deputy president atinda ri ni uthikiriire speech yake erire president atiriri kama wewe ni mwanaume yani why do you sometimes I don't like that. Undu ucio mwe ni guitendeire deputy president and I will say here in front of people that is one thing that he's too mouthy. He's too mouthy in terms of that he's incisive. He's incisive na modo I contradictaga. I would wish to do better. I would wish to do it better by the grace of God, given an opportunity or a chance. That will get it kana mwaka 2024. Thaici aratinde gitora ufufue wale Gen Z.
No mheshimiwa, let me cut you cut. Yale nao mamwiraga atiriri kama wewe ni mwanaume kuja mahali fulani. Icio thirumi mheshimiwa.
It is reactive. It is reactive in terms of taru no mothe ni abere ni ikirie kombola. Tikabona riwe guguthie. It is reactive because everybody has the president have people like me who are me I am supporting the president. I've never fought the guy and I will never fight even come 2027 I will not have a chance win I will not have a chance but to be supporting to be supportive to him. You cannot fight a government and expect him to deliver. It is hectic to deal people. You don't know how difficult it is to handle people. So tari ukeguhe muhiano ka point gatikore ngere ndagituma ngore it is reactive tari mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP ri former deputy president ri atindaga he kaundu atindaga akiuga and this one I judge him at a personal level ati president agenda twarie no ariokirie ciana iria cioragirwo 2024 in the June 2024 the Gen Z whatever. Do you remember gucoke thutha 2024 do you remember what he said that time he was the sitting deputy president do you remember the exact words he used nego girereke nguririkania augire atiriri ati ndungithie arire ciana atiriri you cannot go out facing the police and expect the police to massage you no kana point hiyo augire ndungithie guthaka na borithi guthekie no wait let me let me exhaust my point
yes.
What those two contradicting point should be already answering you the question you asked
no uratetera thirikari watetera thirikari tondu wi thirikari niyo niyo urenda gusupport kuingira giti nayo
na niyo thirikari
ame supportaga hindi iyo tondu niyo ari nayo thaici ungiikio nja wa UDA uigire let's say Wiper ukwaria njaga cia Wiper uga UDA ti njega
riu nani ri UDA no njuge ti njega ta kiama no ndingiorota mutongoria ndi ndorota tariu nona thino yothe bururi
no wame acio ni atongoria marorotana mheshimiwa
mutongoria ni mutongoria gutire mundu tari mutongoria ndakwambiria na gukwira everybody is a leader only that some of us leaders have no title everybody is a leader ndingiorota tariu ngwire kaundu kamwe I have a very contradicting point and a view and it's my opinion and everybody's opinion matters
yes
tariu gwa ndo marahura mutumia uyu wa gukura gwitu mubunge wa Githunguri bitagwo Honorable Muthoni wa Mucoba and I honor the grace of God upon Gathoni wa Mucoba uyu urahura mutumia ucio and she is doing exactly what you elected her to go there and do uramuhura niki mutumia ucio agithiri ko urathirikari yake ona ndungienenia njogu no ta kwenyenia muto urenyenya muti munene you end up there is a common saying here urobia go shake muti you end up shaking your buttocks. She tried fighting the government then she came back to a sentence and she was like oh kogwore is the priority about me serving my people or is about me being famous gotinda gitengerania guku ke at the end of the day ukarugamia ke if supporting ni taru ni hakwa once I get the opportunity and if Kiambu Township ward people gives me an opportunity to serve them my greatest interest over 95% will be about the well-being ya andu akwa mahete wira ucio. So if that means me supporting the government of the day, I will do it unapologetically. I will do it, and that is why I love the minds, the likes of Kikuyu. kwa muthuri witagwo Kimani wa Icũng'wa ndirari Kikuyu na ndirarangia na atumia ũguo ndiramuria mũrakiuga atĩa gũgĩkũyũ kwanyu na barabara ikinyĩte nginya kwanyu nyũmba maraiga gũkũ Kimani nĩ 4 term kandi 3 term go matingĩaria Kimani no ũndũ ũcio ũratũma nyone. So the people are coming are waking up, andũ nĩ marambia kwarahũka meciria makarealize at the end of the day it is about an individual. At the end of the day any elective post is not about any political party. Kwetu TV it is about mũndũ ũcio rĩ mwathura hau. Number one, what does that person know when it comes to governance and leadership of this nation? What does that know when it comes to the law and the rule of law of the land and the constitution of the land? Mũndũ ũcio nĩ atĩa oĩ when it comes to mathĩna ground marĩa ma affectaga Wanjiku kana common mwananchi. Those are the qualifying things, not kĩama ti kĩama DCP kĩrĩu tarĩu thaici andũ akĩrĩ merekeria gwĩka one great mistake, repeating a mistake decades after decades ya kĩndũ kĩu tũraigua gĩtagwo wave, political wave. I hate political wave.
Nĩũrona magithie na wave ya DCP.
Please don't make that mistake. Mwĩroreri wa Kwetu TV ũngĩkorwo nĩ ũkuona video ĩno, never make that mistake. Mũndũ ona ndũkenda kũmenya kana DCP nĩ kana ena kũ kana nĩ Jubilee kana nĩ whatever kana nĩ UDA. Wangũi oka kũrĩ we Wangũi kana Joy wa Joy World. Evaluate Wangũi, integrity ya Wangũi nĩ ĩrĩkũ, gĩthomo kĩa Wangũi nĩ gĩkinyanĩtie ha, Wangũi ena understanding ĩrĩkũ ya kũni represent niĩ kana ya mawatho marĩa matongoragia the house kana nĩ kũrĩa bunge kana nĩ bunge ya county. Evaluate mũndũ.
Mheshimiwa, kũrĩ andũ aingĩ mũno macagũrĩtwo na kĩama kĩa UDA especially MPs. Na kũrĩ andũ aingĩ mũno mathamĩte kĩama na marĩ o thirikari-inĩ magoka kĩama-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩngĩ kĩa
ta mũthuri ũretwo Dr. Irũngũ wa Kang'ata.
Nĩ aingĩ by the way magoka mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro. Nĩkĩ kĩngĩtũma
nĩ rĩrĩ kĩngĩtũma the nature of a man ombĩtwo wa kwenda power, and once everyone including you and the other one we all want to lead. That is why I'm saying everybody is a leader, even leaders without a title. Mũndũ wothe nĩ akoragwo na kaũndũ kau gakwenda. You want always to be better and ũkĩraga rũcinĩ tene ũrang'ang'ana nĩkĩ ona ũkire gũkũ studio-inĩ cia Kwetu TV nĩkĩ, because you are striving to be better than you were yesterday. So rĩu ũrakora atĩrĩ tarĩu mũndũ ta rĩu tũhũthĩre mũhiano wa mũthuri ũcio wa kũrĩa Mũrang'a Dr. Kang'ata wa Barua rĩ Nikorora kona, you have no choice. You still want to continue serving the people. Still want to continue to maintain the political seat, and you have no choice because your people akana ado akwanyu mathiaga na wevu. Most of voters are cowards. Allow me to use this word, not in a bad way, but this is what I mean. Most voters are coward. I mean, tondu mathiaga na wave. So ugokora mundu tocio muthuri tocio ri, it is about him as a person, not really about DCP or at the end of the day after DCP. Ugekinya November 2027 twako turiganirwo ni DCP, wave ya DCP ndigakorwo kwe ringi, wave ya UDA ndigakorwo kwe ringi, wave ya Jubilee, and everything will not be there. We will have to deal with the people that we gave the job. We will have to deal with those that we have given the responsibility. Riu gakora mwanasiasa uyu ri ni arathikiriria ngero tau ni ona ni ikoretwo gwitũ na andu makanjira ero tutirenda tutikwenda yerwa gatureka ture. No, please don't make that mistake. Tika you know go to ihinda riritu. If I'm coming to you with the UDA, take it like if I'm coming to you with UDA Kwetu TV, oya muhiano uyu mwiroreri wa Kwetu TV, mundu andu eri ni mara andu atatu ha meha mbere ya kumurenda guthie Mombasa. One chooses air, means of transport, another one chooses road, another one chooses water. What is the goal? The main goal or the agenda is to get yourself to the destination. So once I come with UDA, please, tia kuhure ke UDA ni kagege kamejaa maendeleo, kamejaa agenda, kamejaa manifesto mzuri, kamejaa mipango ya kukusaidia.
Mheshimiwa
don't vote on that basis, please. Mwiroreri wa Kwetu, don't kai ko vote on basis ya emotions.
Keguria, do you think you'll stand a chance ya guthurwo wi Kiambu County na kiama kia UDA?
Why not? Why not? I don't know. I know. Number one, I have the capacity of changing most of the people. They ground if you and gitekia MCA nikio gitekiria kinini muno. You are very near. You're very close to the people. Ogwa tau ndakwariria no igwa to taida kuhunjiria undu ungihota. Am I making sense to you? Let me ask you a question.
Me, I'm neutral.
No, not about the political.
I have to be neutral.
No, it's not about kiama. About point ira ndirakuheri. Am I making any sense?
again I am neutral. I have to be neutral.
This one anaruka. Mwiroreri, am I making sense that at the end of the day, whether the person was elected on UDA ticket or on Jubilee ticket, you will have to deal with the past November 2027. You will deal with the person you gave the job. You will deal with that person okone mundu wa kiburi, okone mundu utari muthomu utari na understanding ya maundu ma governance na maundu ma leadership. Okadiru no cio kokoro wa muthuri ri undu wa DCP kahinda no karathi gakuhiririe gakuherera wivu ino
Mheshimiwa no twire ma na ndugatuhenie wathi kwariria ndu tondu ni urakiriria ndu ni undu wa kuhoya kura ri marakwayukia ate marakwira ate what is the first thing they are telling you?
O mundu wothe ri, that is why it's an opinion. O mundu wothe ni ari opinion yake. We never reason the same. By the way, funny how that all of us o mundu wothe ni ari mwiciririe different. We never reason the same. Taru ni ugo ndereo, taru mwanere ucio ndirona kwi mundu no ngegeri gutinda ukimwira undu uyu that we need to elect people who are qualified. We need to have people, representatives in the various houses of people that have understanding. Tohererio thonici cia kirima tugutuka tucaguraga andu tondu ni famous mundu ena ngumo mundu nginya ndari kidoe B kana bwe no tondu ni inaga ena ngumo virida cia thire cia tharerirwo kamuhe giti mugathi kuria no gucungana kuria ndari undu kwi mundu ta thici wa guku Mount Kenya. And you know Mount Kenya is a place of interest for many people. Kwe mundu utari wahitukia bunge kuria na ndirakwirire muthenyo ngi ndirakwira na WhatsApp. Do you know why most people even voted the finance bill in? Some of them, and a very good number, especially from here, they never had the understanding. They never really understood what the finance bill was all about. Matakire na understanding hiyo. Kogo mundu cio reherio data thiri ni athie bunge yake uria arenda gwika. Ona data aguthoma kina ndoi. Aguthoma kina beba muthurire tondu kita na UDA 2022 na niyo yankiriaga. Ugitiga mundu ungi bari na Jubilee wari better than that person.
No ndirakiigua mheshimiwa andu a DCP marenda andu athomu niraigua wakili ndiraigua andu athomu
ukorwo ni mathura andu athomu ri mundu kana DCP na ni muthomu ri na angi oke na UDA na ti muthomu ri you go for mundu ucio muthomu
iwe mheshimiwa to ni ugavoti ri we ni ukaheana kura
ni ngaheana
na ni ugevotera nginya kuria urakirugama mundu ungi ukarugame na giti for example tuge MP kana women rep okay arugame na kiama kia DCP na no ni mundu muthomu ni mundu competent ndukumuhe kura tondu wa DCP.
I love my county very much that I will elect kejugere ha by the way without any fear of contradiction ni gathura mundu tondu ni damu evaluate at a personal level digakia
ndukarora kiama
I will not care. I will not really care digethura mundu ate tondu ni the UDA and I support UDA and I'm a very great supporter of the president. I support President William Ruto wholeheartedly. He is the president of the day and we cannot do anything about it. We'll have to support him. Aruta wira uria arenda arikia miaka yake ria Ngai amwatheire ni akehera. But at a personal level ni ingirora qualification without really caring uhoro wa kiama. That is me as a person.
Yeah, kuringana nawe haria tukinyite ri miaka iyo president twathanite ri ni atutwarite wega
ni ndikuona atutwarite uru. Tell me what's the difference between the current president and the former president?
When we doria kiria mweshi.
Atutwarite wega. Niko kuringana na ni President Ruto is doing very well. Continue doing what you're doing, president. You never know. Let me tell you, leading people. No ni ndi mutongoria. Tariu ndakwira itano ka nyuma gutongo nyuma mucemanio wa this is an NGO. I'm the founder and the leader of Youth Care Africa and I'm used to dealing with people. It's not easy dealing with people. Number one, you don't know the challenge that are there in the presidency. With all these things, with all international pressure and everything and what have you that is in there in the presidency. And then us as the people, we said, President Ruto, the second year he was in power. Now, how do you expect that same person to deliver? How? The best thing, and I'm telling you this, the best thing to win, the best way to manipulate someone into doing what you want is loving them.
Jira president mutare wa huru.
Gutire.
Nena ni maruta wira.
Taru hende ya Kibaki ri taru mundu ukaheta he muhiano
Kibaki mwamwitire general kiguoya na ni adelivire by the way na nginya muthi utuga Kibaki ni arutire wira kugu gutire president wagaga opposition na inywe kuinyu ni nyumuhuraga nginya andu anyu tirahura Kibaki ni ngwire ndiukire hakura mundu ndiraruta siasa cia kuhura na by the way I'm more of a leader than a politician and so digera kuruta siasa cia kuhurwa cia kwa giko no ni mundu wa wanjira tire mweshimiwa nigetha nguri kiuria kiu wajira atiriri President Ruto ni arumagwo na nikio rimwe remagwo ni kuruta wira ndakuria atiriri ni president uriku tari waru muna no makiruta wira
you are comparing now President Ruto to who, for example?
For example Kibaki.
Mundu ta Kibaki ri onake no akihura wagetwo ni kigwena ni arutire wira na among mawira maria Kibaki ambiririe ni the Vision 2030 na thini wa Vision 2030 ri kwena kindu getagwo affordable housing. Who is the former president Mheshimiwa Muigai wa Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta never delivered the affordable housing. Oh, people are thinking, you know, the common people don't know.
No,
allow me to finish.
Mheshimiwa gutire hindi angiarekirie na vision itu ni 2030. Vision yajirio ni Kibaki agikinyia haria akinyirie. Muigai Uhuru wa Kenyatta akioya agikinyia haria akinyirie. Tatwire president witu atukinyitie ha. Akinyitie riri.
Who is in this nation of sound mind that doesn't know that the project of affordable housing is there and people are having, including me, tari unie eno ya bama wetu, me am a beneficiary of affordable housing. I will soon live from
apart from affordable housing
as a thing. For example, tari uhoro wa yerere, tari ungirora ona tari uhoro in tari ndo maniga.
By the uhoro wa affordable housing re mimi ni I give him 100%.
Thank you. 100%. Thank you very much.
But tell me,
thank you very much.
Tell me something
At
else.
least you have something.
Yes, I have. By the way, ona ungirora ungithi page ine yakwa ri ni ukuona mawira ni postete ma president. Tondu ni ri ni
you are neutral.
I'm neutral.
Yeah.
Omothe nego post uyu rucio ni ga post uyu ni ndienda kumenya ati uyu no kana uyu no. As long as you are giving me content na nere ajagirwo ni kuonia raia iyo ni okumahe.
Okay.
Runi ndenda ujiretere apart from affordable housing tajira kindu kingi ungijivunia nakio kirehetwo ni thirikari eno.
Kiria kihetwo farafara. Tarora farafara iria President Ruto rute tari guku kirimari tari for example tu guku gwitu Kiambu county tuthi kundu ta kundu gwa Gikuyu farafara nyingire cekito Gikuyu ni projects ya the national government ona guku gwitu ta like the you know itagwa ta farafara eno neno ya the Mau road who is delivering is a project of the national government. Who is delivering? Where is the money coming from?
Kuragituika president ni ara launch project atekite ataruti.
There is what we call kwina kiresi ta rumors na people will always talk taru andu mariganagirwo rehenya mwariganirwo ni ure taru kenguhe kahika ndirikania
reke ngwire
wende mauri wa biashara
reke ngwire ruwe no ti rumors ni ndirari Murang'a ndirafa the president Ruto Murang'a nikushigira rathite Murang'a na ndrona project iria cio thiarathi yake launchaga but warora comments ni ri manauga project ino ri ithi ndianjitio ni mundu muna project ino ithi ndia launchitwo ringi ni mundu muna project iyo mwa launch ri ndi hau ndari cameraman hau by the way na project icio ciothe ndacionire no warora comment section iri niugaga nyamu ni launchito ni mundu muna nyamu ni murara unchilengere niki. What do you say about that?
I say this na gufuatira muhiano witwariririo affordable housing. It was the idea of the Vision 2030. Among the Vision 2030 was affordable housing for Kenyan people, which was launched by Mwai Kibaki na launch Vision 2030 and we saw it. Then they shire president yokari aroerera akarikia. So every president taru project taru for example teriko for example project teriko ya Murang'a tahemwe gwire
ni nyingi
taru uri ugakora te project yo ni ala
thoko nicio ciari nyingi by
taru project ya thoko taru gitu Kiambu kurako thoko. Do you know how many times thoko twanerirwo gitu thoko haria Kiambu is a project also of the national government. I know, of course, the national government will have to partner with the county government. Project here, a project, and it's begun as a project. It was launched by the former president, but then it is now under construction with the current president. What makes you think that if the project is completed, that now the current president cannot go to launch that project just because the former president had launched it? Why? Yeah, why? What makes you think so? Okay, project ni alaunchitwo ni MP fulani taru for example the former MP wa gwitu wetagwo muthuri wetagwo Karariganira etagwo ate muthuri ucio wa gwitu the former MP ni alaunchi project fulani ya farafara fulani taru farafara ya gwaka Dumberi to maybe farafara ino ya guthie Ting'ang'a from Dumberi na Kemacho wa Waithaka ni the current ni okane ya alaunchitwo ni Judy Jomo the former akimikinya haria mikinyire na ndiakutwekire completed. Then the current MP that even not go to the presidency. The current MP comes, completes the project. What makes you think that this current MP will not launch the project just because the former MP had launched? What makes you think so? That is why I'm saying emotions are too much that people don't even evaluate. Na don't yoru. They move with waves. Odakorado ijeko matikona understanding ya maundu ma furori uri rathi na mbere. They don't even know.
Mheshimiwa niwekaga ni kugota Vision 2030. Do you think by the time turakinya 2030 nĩ tũgũkorwo tũhingĩtie maũndũ mau mothe mũgathe Kibaki endatũhingie? Do you think nĩ tũgũkorwo to achieve vision 2030?
Me, I believe if we give, my president is President William Ruto, and I believe if we give him a chance, he's gonna deliver because he needs support from crossboards. Everybody needs to. Kegwire taruga Christian ni taruga kaundu jitakira njuge kaundu gaka toru I'm addressing mwiroreri. Taru ndiroria njuragia Christian ate we mo Christiano. Kiuke gaikira kwira ate horo wa uthamaki no tongoria wa bururi. What is your responsibility as a Christian? If because the dominant religion in our country is Christianity. What does the old book tells us about atongoria? At the heart of the president, the heart of a king, the heart of a leader is in God's hand. So the Bible obligates you to pray for them that are in leadership. You don't know the challenge they are going through. No, I don't know. So much pressure.
Is it the first time to buy?
It is my first time.
Okay.
It is my first time.
Na ndakigwa muhuhu mwena wa thirikari niguo kwina mbia because now hena kiama kiria popular na hena thirikari thirikari ndirigwa ni ra pump mbeca muno kuri anywe murarugama na ciama icio nigetha mote gu convince andu mathure kiama
wega waku ri no kuigua raigua no nduika ni horo wa
nie by the way ndi hau kuri ciuria na ndirakuri ciuria na kuringana na uria ndiraigua ground
riu wega waku ri wega waku ta person ta mwita interview wakwa no we ndui now allow me to tell you
ona ko ni njui ri no ngoro ni njui but I want to hear your view.
Now there is nothing like that. We all know the game that is in the politics of Kenya. Why they go ground, and this is what I want us to believe. This is what I'm against. And the tell you mwiri tutanita Joy Doka digire na mbeca nyingi cia gukiheana kwena itonga cia kwiyumiria ugikinya December this year they will come with a lot of money na nyembo ina na ina dashi to negene citu but mutige ciria tondu mundu cio ni akuhe mbeca. So we know the politics of our nation. Na gutire kiama ate kiraheana bia ate nigetha muthuro no ngeheo bia ri bia ungeheo bia ri at the end of the day this is my point. Don't read the hakwa. This is my opinion. Even if somebody gives you money, take the money, yes, but when it comes to voting, vote someone, vet someone as an individual. Ni point hiyo niyo yakwa major. Iyo niyo point iragenda mwiroreri wa Kwetu TV. Onogirigano ni maundu mothe 500 ndauga. Tukai kurigano ni undu unyu. That come 2027, don't really be moved by any political party. Don't be moved by any wave. Don't be moved by popularity. Be moved by what an individual is capable of doing. Be moved na mutongoria waku at a personal level.
Niki kiragupushire wende kurugama gite kia MCA.
Leadership is a call. Is a very divine call. Me, I know, me I'm more of a leader than a politician. But I've been actively involved. Na modo wothe, let me tell you something. Every sober Kenyan, you cannot separate yourself with governance na leadership. You know why? We have one nation to live. Nugo bururi witu uria twina go wakurera ciana, nugo bururi witu twina go wakuhurira biashara ukokire muhuru wa biashara ndokire mwana siasa. Me, what led me is the call to lead because I believe I'm better and I can do better and I can represent my people.
Mheshimiwa, you just want to lead and get the power. Kana hena gathina wonete Kiambu township kari urenda gucenjia. Ni
background yakwa ni warimu and my background is in teaching, especially sector ya githomo. Me, I know there is not much when it comes to an MCA. There is very little that you can do. But at least when you have understanding ya challenges cia wasa kama githomo gia gwitu kia bukia kia ECD na rimo ya marandikwo na contract, I will really want to bring a change in that area. Topic for another day. Ditigete go.
Okay.
When I launch my manifesto na mundu marego kana evidence kwa karatasi.
Yes, kwa karatasi.
Nikwambia this is what I want to do.
Mwiroreri wa Kwetu TV network no turathio wega na nyariri no ya guku Kabete kana guku Kiambu township. Uko wina kiuria andika hau comment section ni gucokia na cingikeingiha muno ri no tumucokie ringi show-ini nigetha athie na mbere na gucokia cio kana twage gwita ni ugakirega guka
goka muno tondu ndini goka muno.
Yes. No Mheshimiwa ri ni njuhe mundu reuria hari atiriri madam ni akirina na akiaria wega na nakiugo ri arakienda giti ni atia na twikira nigetha tumuhe giti kiu
ndaneka atiriri ni ndi ndakorwo no andu ungiuria kiuria kiu ri handu no ukinyitana maita meri ni ate uri wekira andu mageciria niki watuheire ndaiguira ndu makiuga niki gia kuhete ngaria ni ndire ndakorwo na mbeca cia kuheana no ni ndenda hotha taru for example ngwirire nyumite kuria Githunguri tuma na mucemanio kana gathering ya ciana ciretu. This is my NGO etagwo Youth Care Africa. It has been there for the last 10 years. People know me, people know that is what I do. I've been empowering people, the young people, the younger generation in terms of kwihotha nie kiria joy in youth care Africa we are much more of a teenage health, teenage representative kwika undu karathia na mbere guko social media na ndurakonire gaka na ka miaka 12 13 14 kaingite ni githuri kia miaka 60 that girl ona kiriro kiria kina mwana ucio what does a 14-year-old girl know ona tanira ndari munini dioi ugekora ciana ici ciiritu ni koragwo na challenge nyingi muno iragerera na nie ndio challenge cia boy child muno Joyce challenge cia girl child because I grew up as a girl child so ne ndakamire up na idea no over many years
na ni kodo simenya mweci ona cia boy child nigetha wakingira hara o ma represent
ni ngocimenya ni mekunjira twina o ground so wajoria that was in answering the question wajoria ati what have I done ne ndihothete nie thini wa gutwika help na ni nginya kuria gwakwa cukuru Joy World Training Institute I know every person who comes to me we live a very empowered girl. I know every person who comes to me live with a very different mindset. Yeah.
Ndugagithame mweshimiwa.
Ndigathama.
Ndugathi kuria gated community.
Very much. You know Kiambu County ni kundu kwega muno kwiriera riega kuhoreru kwega kwa kurera. I don't think I would leave Kiambu anytime soon.
Wow.
Yeah. In any way, Runda is still in Kiambu, Muthaiga is still in Kiambu.
Kuko na wathamira kuno watu. Kiambu.
I'm still in Kiambu, bro.
Okay, mweshimiwa, it was nice talking to you.
Yeah.
Onoko ntugithanite muno tutegukionana umuthi finally ni tuonana. Ni njui mwiroreri onake ni akenio ni topic iyo na mwiroreri kindly subscribe for great shows lined up for you no thina mbere na kuria ciuria hau riu mweshimiwa ni ngwenda urore kamera iria wariria andu aku a Kiambu Township umahoe wira umahoe kura no mere what to expect.
So mwiroreri wa Kwetu TV na we muikari na muikia wa kura wa Kiambu County specifically Kiambu Township Ward uyu ni mwana wanyu ni mwiretu wanyu wetagwo Joy Wangui kana Joy wa Joy World na nini ndirakuhoya giti kia member of county assembly come 2027. The third number one, we are saying one thing: the future is female, and you cannot separate female with leadership. Na niĩ nĩ njũĩ ndĩ mũiganu nĩ nginyĩtie mĩaka ya gũcagũrania wega na ũru na nĩ nyendete andũ akwa a Kiambu County. I'm Kiambu County by blood na niĩ nĩ ndĩrakũhoya kura ĩyo ũngĩgathiĩ wone mbica yakwa hau wone ũthiũ ta ũyũ ũkahe kura na nĩ ndĩragũ promise atĩ I will deliver maũndũ marĩa mothe ngũkorwo ndĩmwĩrĩire. Koguo wanyona nĩ ngũka gũkũhoya kura, wanyona ndũkahũre tafadhali. Thank you.
Nice one mweshimiwa.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for coming.
Yeah.
Na ikonwa newerorera show ino na warikia hamwe na ithuĩ. Kindly subscribe for great shows lined up for you. Tusemanie show ino wegi. Ciao.